Hey folks, just making sure this thing's on. On my way to the post office to mail out my first round of Christmas mixes. And I'm sure there's other assorted VCLP in them. I won't give too much away. And then I'm going to show you the upgrade of the update of the Bay Beach. And what else do I have to report? That's it for now. I'll be back. Okay. Well, in my game plan of trying to get things done, I totally forgot it was Veterans Day. The bank's closed, the post office closed. Okay, so tomorrow's another day, and happy Veterans Day to all those veterans, and thank you for serving. Alright, well, it's time to go to the beach and continue the second half of my game plan. Yep. Oh yeah. Forgot to tell you that a few days before the Bayhead Fire Company celebrated its 100th year of existence, someone came and vandalized the memorial, and it's very sad. There were monuments on both sides of this, and there were monuments like tombstones on both sides of this thing, and someone came and knocked them both over, and plus crushing the emblem here. And it's very sad, you know. It's going to cost them thousands of dollars to fix it. It's so sad. They removed the stones. I guess they're getting repaired, but I'll show you close up. See, there were stones, like one was there and one was there, and they were similar to that one, but they had the names of the deceased members of the Bayhead Fire Company. And someone, like a day or two before the 100th year celebration, someone came, or one or two individuals came and knocked them over. Just totally wrong, totally. I can't express my anger enough. When I heard that, oh my gosh. Okay, well, on to the beach. All Saints Church being rebuilt. Oh my goodness. Coming along nicely. Looking good. Yeah. There it is. Mount Street platform. Oh my God, this thing's gonna be huge. We're gonna have to go to boot camp just to get up this darn thing. Look at that. Ah, darn. Whoa. Oh, but that. Hello, how are you? That's just the beginning. Wait till you see Bridge Avenue. There it is, a Bridge Avenue platform. Hey, are they going to install an elevator on this thing?
I don't know.
that looks like a heck of a lot of stairs to climb. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow. Wowzer dowsers. It's coming along. Holy smokes. Wow. It is coming along. Let's see if we can still climb up here a little bit. Oh boy. Let's see if we can climb up here, Rob. Daddy Bunnies. Wow, look at this. It's huge. It's gonna be humongoid. Wow. Beautiful ocean anyway. Whoa, look at the bolts in this thing. Whoa! Ouch. Wow. Alright, that's as far as I'm getting. Very calm today. Wow. Whew. Beautiful. Gentlemen fishing. Looks like there's a freighter of some sort out there. Yeah, a warning beach and guarded sign is down. Wow. Oh boy, what a sight. Look at the ocean. Well, there you have it, folks. I'm going to sign off now. And one more look at this. Holy smokes, look at this thing. It's huge. We're going to have to go to boot camp just to climb, learn to be in shape by June to climb this thing. Oh my gosh. Woo! Alright, last stop, folks. Tell me you're not curious as I am to see what's happening at my spot. Tell me you're not, and I'll tell you you're a flippin' liar. 'Cause if you're as curious as I am, oh yeah. Doesn't look like they've done anything here. Maybe a little bit. Maybe a little bit. Look at this, y'all. Oh. Well, that's alright. You guys, I know you guys are flipping curious about this spot. But it doesn't look like things have changed. Ouch. Not much anyway. Right where Frank put those lasts. this past summer. Nope, nothing. Wow, this will probably be the one of the last spots that gets done. Wow, but here it is, my spot. Les Bluffs. There's boats out there. It's a pretty nice day, I'd say, in the 60s. Maybe in the 50s. Pretty warm. Getting a little chilly though. Now looks like they're working on this house. Yes, it does. I think they're working on that house, finishing up that project. Yep. Alright, time to go. Bye-bye. Yep, folks, another beautiful sunset. Can't see it much, but it's a beautiful sunset on the Monica Day. And that's it for me, my friends. Peace. Love, and keep the good tunes spinning. Can't do my thing with my hand because one hand is on the camera and the other hand is on the mic. Alright, enjoy, folks. I might have a shot or two left to do before I part somewhere. If I don't, I hope you have enjoyed these little footages, and I'm looking forward to putting them together for you, and I hope you enjoy them, and I hope they turn out well. Yeah, I might shoot by the yacht club and see what's going on there. That banging noise is this big crane here driving the new pilings in. Whoa, and some guy just whipped by me. Did y'all see that? Alright, I gotta pay attention. People are nuts. Alright, later, gators. Oh, look at that big one. Wow. That is literally where the tennis courts are. Oh my god. This is, holy smokes. This is incredible. This is truly incredible. Whoa, mama, look at this. Holy smokes. Whoa. I'm walking around here because there's so much construction. Look at this. Holy smokes. Look at this. This is a sight to see, y'all. Looks like we're shutting it down for the day. Look at that. The yacht club is in the tennis courts. Hey, how you doing? Alright, that's it for me, folks. Good night. It's time to go home and think of dinner.